Welcome to Harpreet'S English classes, a homegrown PTE and IELTS academy. Established in early 2000s by Harpreet Singh and his wife Simranpreet Kaur, Harpreet'S English classes started as a humble endeavor driven by a vision to deliver good quality education. As time marched on, so did the institute. Milestone by milestone, we achieved significant height and breakthroughs. In 2014, Anmol sir, and later on in 2018, Puneet sir, joined the endeavor towards fulfilling their father's motto, and since then we have been grateful for the journey that brought us here. We boast being a homegrown language institute starting from our own living room, and the relentless pursuit of improvement and excellence has made us grow to a family of 10,000 plus students and countless success stories. Our team of dedicated educators goes beyond teaching English. We inspire, mentor, and guide our students on the journey of linguistic discovery. Hello everyone, I am Anmol, the lead trainer at Harpreet'S English classes. I've been an IELTS trainer for the past 10 years, and at Harpreet'S English classes, my mission is to make language learning not just an educational experience, but also a joyous one. But the true measure of our success lies in the stories of students. With 10,000 plus success stories and counting.
I am Atin and I scored an overall band score of 8.
8.5 in listening, 9 in reading, 7.5 in writing and 7 in speaking.
I want to thank Anmol sir, Puneet sir and the whole staff of Harpreet'S English classes.
We have thousands of lives that have been enriched by the personalized and effective learning experiences. Step into our modern classrooms equipped with cutting-edge technology, providing an immersive and engaging learning environment. At Harpreet'S English classes, we blend tradition with innovation to make your language experience truly exceptional. Join us at Harpreet'S English classes, where language becomes an adventure and every word opens a door to new horizons. Contact us today and let's embark on this exciting journey together.